When this client reached out about help with her kitchen, I was so excited. She combined kitchen equipment from several spaces without having the time to sort through what she truly needed in her home space. That left duplicates and clutter that was interfering with her day-to-day functionality. We started by tackling the pantry, which meant getting all of the food into one centralized location and shelving it in categories that kept her family in mind. We used turntables and bins to keep sticky items from spilling everywhere and to make use of the full depth of her cabinets while keeping food visible before it could expire. Next, we weeded through kitchen utensils, of which there were a lot of duplicates. This client was great about discarding anything but her favorite tools as we grouped them into her drawers by function. Finally, we focused on her baking station, which included 2 shelving towers that we moved to flank the window before adding frequently used baking supplies. Decorative touches are displayed across the top shelves, and ingredients now have clear labels to make finding the right sugar or flour a snap. It was a blast helping this client transform her kitchen into a truly inspiring space.